Saturday, EVs from across the state of Wisconsin made their way to Mount Horeb's Kwik Charge location for an open house hosted by Wisconsin Clean Cities. I really enjoyed connecting with other EV enthusiasts. It was great to see a lot of EVs gathering and charging. While I was there, I saw a great variety of EVs, from a Rivian R1S, Porsche Taycan, Chevy Bolt, Blazer, and of course Equinox, and a Volkswagen ID4 to name just a few. But the headliner was a special vehicle from Zimmerman Transfer.
So there's this huge rig, which is awesome, right? CCS plug, pulling 7.2 amps and 4 or 5 kilowatts at 96%. And the battery is just moving electrons around in a small space, so it can't pull that much. But 69 kilowatt hours this thing pulled, right? So pretty awesome that this huge rig can run on electricity.
Well, Mount Horeb isn't the newest station in the Kwik Charge block anymore, with the George Street in La Crosse location now active. 2 more stations in the Kwik Charge family, Fond du Lac and Pleasant Prairie, are also moving into the construction phase for the NEVI awarded sites. Besides this open house, later this fall, Wisconsin Clean Cities is hosting the Transportation and Innovation Expo. It's being held October 27th and 28th at the Monona Terrace in Madison. I'm excited for this event. If you're in Wisconsin and watching this channel, you might be too. I put a link in the description for more info, but you can check it out at wicleancities.org. I'll see you at the next charge, or maybe the Transportation and Innovation Expo.